Hello everyone, welcome back to another Let's Plan video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix verification required on your App Store while installing or updating free apps from the App Store on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen, and what you have to do is just open up Settings app on your device here, and then tap here on your Apple ID profile, and now tap here on Media and Purchases, and now tap on View Account, and now tap here on your country or region, and now tap here on Change Country or region. And from here what you have to do is just select your country. So I'm selecting here United States, and now tap here on Agree, and again tap on Agree to confirm the process. And here what you have to do is just select your payment method at none. So that's it. After that, what you have to do is just here put the information. You can put fake one, and here is the city, so give it. And here you have to select the state. I'm selecting here California, my state. And here you have to give the zip code for your state or city. If you don't know about the zip code or postcode, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. So the zip code for the California is 90201. And enter here your phone number. You can put fake one, and now tap here on Next, and now tap on Done. So that's it. After this, go back and open up App Store here and search for the app you want to update or install. Like I want to install my Google app. Yep, here it is. So as you can see, app is installing right now without asking for the verification required. So my problem has been solved. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.